When you're reviewing a borrower, you rely on the credit report to tell the story. But what if that story is missing critical chapters? Bankruptcies do still show on a credit report, but as of 2018, most civil judgments and many tax liens were removed from consumer credit reports. That means today, you could be approving loans without seeing serious financial red flags, like court-ordered debt or IRS tax liens. And here's the reality. Consumers with a bankruptcy, lien, or judgment are nearly twice as likely to default as those without one. If you're only looking at a traditional credit report, you're not seeing the full risk picture. Liens and judgments reveal something a credit score alone cannot. They show legal financial obligations, debts that have already escalated to court action or government enforcement. A civil judgment tells you a creditor pursued legal action and won. That means wage garnishment, bank levies, or asset seizure may already be in motion. A tax lien tells you the IRS has a legal claim against a borrower's property and first rights to proceeds if assets are sold. For lenders, that's critical, because if someone else has legal priority over a borrower's income or assets, your repayment position changes. Soft Pull Solutions Bankruptcies, Liens, and Judgments report uncovers these public records, even when they no longer appear on standard credit reports. Our enhanced algorithms search a robust civil records database across federal, state, and local jurisdictions to identify filing state and court location, filing type and status, liability amounts, asset disclosures, and other case details that impact repayment capacity. This isn't just a red flag indicator, it's actionable underwriting intelligence. Without lien and judgment visibility, lenders face hidden repayment competition, inflated debt-to-income calculations, increased default exposure, and avoidable portfolio risk. With this data, you can better assess true financial strain, adjust terms appropriately, or avoid high-risk approvals altogether. Smarter lending isn't just about more approvals, it's about the right approvals. Soft Pull Solutions Bankruptcies, Liens, and Judgments report helps you see what traditional credit reports miss, so you can lend with greater clarity, confidence, and control. Visit softpullsolutions.com to see a sample report or contact us today to learn more.